Let's talk about transferring your auto loan from your personal credit profile to your business credit profile. And there's a lot of good reasons you want to do this because one can get a great tax write-off if your vehicles are in your business name versus them being in your personal name. The first thing you would have to do is to establish a business account. All right. The bank will want you to have a business account, or the credit union would want you to have a business account with them. Secondly, you must have the auto loan already financed by the credit union or the bank that you're interested in doing this transfer from personal to your business account. And it's not something that is widely known. Many people would think you would have to refinance the car in the business name and do a completely different credit application. No, that's not true. You essentially would have to request an administrative transfer. Request an administrative transfer. And essentially what that means is the bank has financed the car already in your personal name. All right. It's on your personal credit report. And then you request that they transfer that auto loan into your business account, okay, which would then show that loan on your business credit report. These are the steps that you need to take to do this transfer. You'll need to obtain a copy of your current insurance declaration page because the bank or the credit union wants you to show that you have now insured the vehicle and added the bank or credit union to the insurance policy. Okay. You need to obtain a copy of the registration page so the bank can collect the VIN number, the appropriate details about your vehicle. Then you need to document the vehicle mileage. They need to know the exact mileage on the vehicle at the time that you're doing the transfer. There will be some new docs that you would have to sign, but you will not have to do a credit application in most cases that I have seen. Specifically, I have one credit union I like to refer all of my students to, and this is the exact process. All right. So you will have to execute the business loan closing docs. And those are some documents that show now that the vehicle is going to be paid off in your personal name, and there will be a new loan in your business name for the same vehicle. Typically, there's some small administrative fees that the bank or the credit union will charge you for this process. Okay. You also would have to pay DMV fees, the title transfer fees, and you have to get a new registration. This process typically removes the auto loan from your personal obligations and from your personal credit reports and adds it into your business debts. Okay, so this will no longer show on your personal credit profile, and this will reduce your outstanding debt and your credit utilization, which could positively impact your credit score. This is how you do an administrative transfer of your auto loan into your business name.